and I played. I played 2 hours with my coach. We play all match, and I lost.
Oh, you lost the game.
Yes. 6-4, 6-4.
6-4, 6-4 was the score, huh?
And yes, and in 5 p.m. I went to bітіртіп. It's mathematics center, and
Yeah, do you...
I had a mathematics lesson.
Okay.
And after lesson, I have a dinner. If so.
That's it, yes? You sure me? That's it. That's good. Mr. Arnold Tursungan. Fantastic.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mr. Arnold Maratov. How are you today, Mr. Arnold Maratov?
Hello. Good.
Did you go to school?
Yes.
Okay. How was the school? Did you play?
What?
Did you play with girls, with boys?
Boys.
Did you play with boys? Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Amazing. Thank you. Today I also had many lessons. I taught mathematics, English, Kazakh, you know, and I had dinner. I've just returned here to my office, and I'm going to start another lesson with double Arnurs. Yes, Arnold Maratov and Mr. Arnold Tursungan. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay, now let's get started. Today we're speaking about cars and driving. Okay. Yeah. Mr. Arnold Maratov, can you read these 2 questions and answer them? Do you think cars are safe?
Какие машины, по мнению, какие машины сохранишь, да?
Нет. Думаете ли вы, что машины безопасные, да? Безопасные. Safe это означает что? Безопасный. Do you think...
I think the cars,
cars are safe, yeah?
Safe.
And what are some advantages and disadvantages of driving versus public transportation? Advantages это у нас что? Плюсы. Disadvantages это минусы. Ага. Какие плюсы знаем, какие минусы знаем вождению, да? То есть
I think the versus public transportation, the advantage, me driving, disadvantages, я могу врезаться в машину.
I can hit the car, I can crash the car, yes? I can crash the car or hit another car, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Arnold Maratov. Yes, Mr. Arnold Tursungan.
I think car it's not safe because car they can break, and I can попасть в инцидент, там в аварию.
I can have an accident.
I can get DTP.
Yes, accident, car accident, yes?
Accident.
We say it as a car accident, yes? Accident. Car.
Yes.
Accident. Okay. And And do you think that cars are safe, Mr. Arnold Tursunkan?
No, I think car is not safe.
Yeah, it's not safe. It might be dangerous. Yeah, can you drive a car, Mr. Arnold Tursunkan?
No, but my father drive a car.
Yeah, your father drives a car. Okay. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Arnold Tursunkan, the next two questions, please. What do you think cars will be like in future, and do people drive well in your country?
What do you think cars will be like in the future? Какие будут машины в будущем?
Да, какие будут машины? Ну, по вашим мнениям, да? Какие будут машины, да? И потом, люди хорошо ли водят машину в вашей стране, говорится, да? Ага.
Cars in future will get after drive, ну, автовождение.
Yeah, after driving.
Сами будут. And in my country, people drive, no, bad,
Yeah.
drive a car because
Dangerously, yes. Uh-huh.
yes, because they buy права как будут?
Yes. Driving license.
Yes, because people drive a license.
Yeah, driving license, yes. Okay. Usually buy driving license. That's why, yeah, they're not good. So what about the cars? What cars will be like in the future? Maybe they'll be flying, you know, in the sky. What's your opinion of the future cars?
Yes, in future cars can fly car.
Yeah, cars can fly in the sky. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you think that they will need petrol for the fuel, or they won't need the petrol for the fuel? What's your opinion of that?
I think petrol need to car.
Yeah, it will be needed for the cars. Okay. Okay, thank you. That's good. Thank you. Yeah, now please, Mr. Arnold Maratov, what do you think cars will be?
What do you think cars like in the future? I think that cars fly.
Yeah, they will fly.
And afterwards.
Yeah. And do people drive well in your country, Mr. Arnold Maratov?
Dad and my dad and my uncle. Дядя, да? Uncle, дядя.
So do they drive a car and do they drive well?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, would you like to learn to drive, Mr. Arnold?
Yes, I like to drive, but I don't drive in life.
Okay. And what's your favorite car? What's your favorite car?
Формула-1 машина and Lamborghini.
Formula 1 and Lamborghini. Wow, that's good. Thank you. And Mr. Arnold Maratov, would you like to drive an F1 race car?
The Formula 1
Yeah.
cars very fast. And на ней типа сложно кататься.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to drive. Yeah, it's hard to drive Formula 1 cars. Okay, that's good. And the last question, Mr. Arnold Maratov, do you think the use of cars will increase or decrease in the future, and why?
Increase это что?
Так, использование машины в будущем будет убавляться или же убываться? Как вы думаете?
I think the future cars increase.
Yeah, the use of cars will increase in the future, yes? Yeah. And why do you think so? Yeah, why do you think so? Because
И почему, да?
yeah.
I think the future, типа, они будут, the cars new and cars flight, типа, это будет мало времени занимать,
Yeah, it
чем,
will
чем в пробках.
yeah, it will take less time. Yeah, it will take less time. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Arnold Tursunhan.
Would you like to drive an F1 car or race car? Yes, I would like because Formula One car very fast and small.
They're small, yeah. Okay. And what about the use of cars in the future? Will it increase or decrease?
In future, will be more cars because in planet there will be more people.
Okay, more and more people, and cars are
will be more cars.
yeah cheaper. Yes, cheaper and cheaper. Yeah.
Yes.
And what about the favorite car? What's your favorite car, Mr. Tursukan?
In Formula One?
No, in life in general. What's your favorite car?
Mercedes.
Mercedes. Oh, I also like Mercedes. I don't like BMW. I like Mercedes. Yeah, so that's good. Yeah. Thank you. Now let's move to the next topic. Yeah, challenges. Challenges. Okay. Mr. Arnold Maratov, can you read, please? Umitai, hello. Sharminova, hello. Nurai.
What is the challenge you have faced? Какой ты challenge имел?
Да, какую испытание вы прошли, да? Ну, как его, например? Challenge, да.
I challenge the находиться в школе.
Yeah, I challenge it to be at school. Yes, I challenge it to be at school. And there are many amazing challenges to try, visiting all of the continents, swimming in all of the oceans of the world, or climbing Everest. Can you think of some more interesting challenges that a person can do, Mr. Arnold Maratov?
Типа, попал, путешествовать по континентам.
В мире, да?
Надо выбрать одно?
Нет, не выбрать, просто
Надо выбрать одно.
какие другие интересные челленджи вы знаете, которые люди знают?
I think the challenge 24, типа, саат, как назвали?
What?
1 hour, 24 hours
24.
в, типа, гробу.
Oh yeah, staying at what was the name of the group? How can we say it in English? It is coffin, yes? To stay in a coffin, yes? Stay in a coffin for 24 hours. Oh my God, it's so long, huh? Staying in a coffin for about 24 hours. And what about the other challenge? So What is the most interesting challenge would you like to try, Mr. Arnold Maratov?
I like try the eat citrus.
Oh, citrus. Okay, thank you. That's good. Yes, Mr. Arnold Tursunkhan?
What is a challenge you have faced?
Face it. Uh-huh.
I sat on a plane for 7 hours.
Ooh, wow. Did you fly anywhere nice?
Куда я летел?
Yeah.
I fly in Dubai.
Yeah, you flew to Dubai. Okay. And what about the next question? There are amazing challenges to try. For example, visiting all of the continents, swimming in all of the oceans of the world, climbing Everest. Can you think of some more interesting challenges that a person can do?
I think many amazing challenge is jump off a parachute
Ooh,
and
out of parachutes.
yes, and climb it in volcano.
Ooh, climbing the volcano. Oh my God. It's too frightening. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Fantastic, fantastic. Yeah, that's good. That's good, Mr. Arnold Rusukan. Thank you. Let's move to the next question. Yeah. Next one, Mr. Arnold Rusukan. What kind of challenge would you like to try? And do you have any heroes that have done something amazing?
What kind of challenge would you like to try?
Yeah. Какой челлендж вы бы хотели вот попробовать, да? What challenge? Yeah.
I хотел would.
Yeah, I would like to. Yeah, I would like to.
I would like to jump it off a parachute because it's your adrenaline is повышается.
It's too high, yes, because the adrenaline is too high. Okay.
Yes, and it's very interesting. It's scared.
There, yeah, that's good. What about do you have any heroes that have done something amazing? Do you know anyone who has already done that? For example,
Героев я знаю, каких персонажей?
Yeah, do you know?
Насчет этого испытания?
Yes, of course.
Yes, my friend 2 years ago, he's jumped off a parachute.
Yeah.
And 5 kilometers.
Ooh, wow. He jumped out of the parachute at 5 kilometers. Okay. Hey, sabah oldu Mali, koş. Thank you. Now, next one, Mr. Arnold Maratov. What kind of challenge would you like to try?
I would like challenge to try the visiting the countries.
Visiting many countries, yeah? That's good. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Do you have any heroes that have done something amazing? Типа про героев, да?
Да, something amazing, да. Что-то, который восхитительно, отличное что-то сделал, да?
Типа герой, да?
Да, знаете какого-то героя, да, который делал вот эти вот такие вещи?
Человек-паук. Ладно. Мистер Бист.
Mr. Beast, yeah. He always does amazing things, yeah. Like, and thank you. Okay, the next question, Mr. Arnold Maratov. Challenges don't have to be amazing. What are some normal challenges people face, Mr. Arnold Maratov?
Нормальный челлендж, да, для людей.
Обычные челленджи, да, говорится? Обычные челленджи для людей, ага.
I think the challenge normal, the driving the car, типа, если нет прав,
Yeah, if you don't
типа, на открытом.
have a driving license, yes? Thank you. Okay, what about the next question? Some people think that facing challenges improves a person. Do you agree or disagree? Mr. Анумарадов?
Improv это, как звали? Типа импровизация, да?
Нет, improves это у нас улучшает человека, да? Вот, дамытат, improve, развивает человека, ага.
I think challenge improves the person, the 24 нет, 1 hours the best math, ну, типа лучшим учителем с математики.
Yeah. Okay, so you agree with this idea, yes? Am I right?
Yes, agree.
Okay, thank you. That's good. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Arnold Tursunkan.
Yes, a normal challenge is eat fruit and vegetables 5 days in a row and break правила. Break the rules.
Rules. Ага.
А как второй вопрос переводится?
Some people think that facing challenge improves person. Некоторые люди верят в то, что вот эти челленджи развивают человека. Вы согласны ли вы этим идеям или же не согласны, да? Do you agree or disagree with this idea? Hello.
Yes, I agree because challenge развивают. Как будет?
Improves вот это слово, да? Improve.
Because challenge improves the мозги, как бы?
The brain, yes? Challenges improve.
Challenge improves the brain and ну все, я больше не знаю.
That's it, yes? That's it. Okay, the other two questions, please, Mr. Arnold. Can you think of a friend who overcame a challenge?
Can you think of a friend who overcame a challenge?
Да, прошел, да? Можете сказать про друга, который прошел челлендж.
Ну да, а как будет участвовать?
Take part.
My friend can take part in a quest. And my friend is очень непонятно.
Yeah. Misunderstanding. Understandable.
Yes. And he passed all game one.
Alone. Alone? Did he
Ну, he went the game alone, да.
Alone. Okay, that's good. That's good. And what are some challenges you think the next generation will face?
Как переводится?
Как вы думаете, следующее вот поколение будут, как его, встречать, какими челленджами они будут встречать, да, их будут встречать, какие челленджи?
A very extreme challenge, and scary challenge.
Scary challenge, yeah? That's good. And thank you, Mr. Arnold. Thank you. Now the next one, Mr. Arnold Maratov. Can you think of a friend who overcame challenge? Arnold Maratov, are you here? Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Can you think of a friend who overcame challenge?
Friend overcame challenge. Ағылшын.
Да. Знаете ли вы друга, да? Который прошел челлендж?
Ағылшын. Ағылшын.
Amir Khan. So what did he do? What challenge did he face? Yeah. Kukurelia. Hello, Kukurelia. Kukurelia. Yeah. Okay. What are some challenges you think the next generation will face, Mr. Arnold Maratov? Kukurelia, thank you.
Как это переводится?
Sorry? Thank you, Kukurelia. Huh?
Как это переводится?
У вас, по-моему, сеть не ловит, да? You don't have a good internet, Mr. Arnold Maratov? Don't you? Окей, какие челленджи могут встречать следующее поколение, по вашему мнению?
I think спрыгнуть с парашюта.
Jump out of a parachute, yes? Jump out of a parachute. Okay. What about visiting another planet, for example, Mars, Jupiter, the Sun, the Moon?
Mars.
Yeah. Yeah. And some people make their children have easy lives with few challenges, or make sure their children face challenges. Should people make their children have easy lives with few challenges, or make sure their children face challenges? А? Как вы думаете, мистер Анамаратов? Следует ли людям... Да.
I think easy lives and им типа надо много челленджей давать.
Yeah.
Развивательно.
Yeah, people should make sure their children face challenges, yes? So you agree with this idea? То есть людям нужно пройти испытание, чтобы жить легко, да? Чтобы жить легко, нужно пройти испытание, правильно? And the last question, what is the next challenge in your life you want to overcome, Mr. Anomaratov?
My next challenge, go to tennis.
Ooh, go to the tennis. Oh, wow, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Anomaratov, should people
make their children have easy lives with few challenges, or make sure the children face challenges? Yes, they should face difficulties because they should be самостоятельны.
Self-confident, yes, they should be self-confident.
Yes, self-confident. And what is the next challenges in your life you want to overall?
All the time.
I want the next challenges is eat fast food for 10 days.
For 10 days?
Yes.
Oh my God. That's good. That's good. Thank you. And let's move to the next one. Charity. Mr. Arnold Tursunhan, do you give to charity or volunteer? What do you think are some important charities people should give to?
Мне сразу на два вопроса ответить?
Да, сразу, okay. You can answer 2 questions in a row. Yeah.
No, I don't give to charity and volunteer.
Why don't you give some money to the charity or the volunteer?
Because I didn't think about it.
Yeah, you didn't think about it. Because, you know, one of the most important things in life is that you have to, if you help someone, it will make you happier, okay? It will make you feel great. Thank you, Kukurelia. Yeah, Mr. Arnold. And what do you think are some important charities people should give to? Thank you.
They should take care of children and the homeless.
Help the homeless. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Mr. Arnold Maratov.
Do you give to charity or volunteer?
Volunteer.
Charity это типа это которое ловят, да, животных?
Благотворительность. Charity — это у нас благотворительность. Вы даете деньги, да, благотворительности или волонтерам?
Благотворительности. I give
Yeah,
money charity.
to charity. Why do you give some money to the charity, Mr. Arnold Maratov?
I think типа сколько вы давали, да?
Нет, почему вы даете вот, благотворительностью деньги? Why do you give some money to the charity?
I think because типа некоторые люди, some people the sick don't have там руки, там аяк, из этого даю.
Yeah, some people don't have legs and hands. Yes, that's why you want to help the people. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And what do you think are some important charities people should give to?
Үшінші сұрақ па?
Next one, this one, the second one.
Я же ответил на него.
Are you all answer this one? Okay, thank you.
Я ответил вроде.
Thank you. Okay. Mr. Arnold Tursunhan? Arnold Tursunhan?
Do you know of any bizarre charities? I don't know it's for such charities.
Bizarre?
Bizarre charities, I don't know.
What does mean bizarre?
Необычные, там, странные.
Да, странные благотворительности. Знаете вот такую, да? So you don't know, yeah? Money to homeless people.
Я могу на второй вопрос ответить.
Yeah,
Do you give money to homeless people? Do you think people should give money to homeless people? Yes, people should help the homeless people because it's helped for homeless people and it's a good deed.
Yeah, it's a good idea, yeah. It's good. Thank you, Arnur. Yes, Arnur Maratov.
What do you think needs charity the most? I think
This one,
charity
first one, this one.
help. Ой, перепутал. Do you know of any bizarre charities?
Yeah. За
Bizarre это что?
странные благотворительные. Знаете?
Загадай желание, Барго. Есть такое.
Which one?
Типа компания такая. Загадай желание есть.
Yeah.
Такая компания.
Think of a dream, yeah? Think of a dream.
Название.
Okay, do you give money
Yes.
to homeless people, and do you think people should give money to homeless people?
Yes, I give money to homeless people.
And do you think people also should give some money to homeless people?
Ну, типа им надо давать, да? Не надо ли вам им давать, да?
Люди тоже, людям следует давать деньги бездомным людям.
I think people, типа, должны давать.
Yeah, people should. Следует, да?
Should
Give
money.
Thank you. Your next two questions, Mr. Maratov. Who do you think needs charity the most?
I think charity, типа, помогать, ну, needs money, and просто им же самому, типа, сложно за все обеспечивать.
Yeah.
Люди.
Homeless people, yeah? Homeless people.
Их надо, типа, поддерживать.
Homeless people need charity the most, yeah? То есть бездомные люди нуждаются самым этим, да, благотворительностью, да? And how much do you think governments should give to help other countries?
Government это как?
Government у нас государство. Сколько, по вашему мнению, государство следует давать, чтобы помочь другим странам?
I think достаточно, типа, 500 million dollars.
$500 million.
Да, типа, только
Charity.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Arnold Tursun-Khan.
What do you think needs charity the most?
Yeah. Who do you...
Безработный. Безработный.
Unemployed.
The unemployed and homeless, it's more need it most.
Yeah, they need it most. And
how much do you think governments should give to help other countries? The government should help our countries $100,000.
Okay, that's good. Okay, guys. Thank you. Please do your homework and classwork. Send the photos to Miss Gulzira, okay?
А Мируерт не надо?
No, she has left. Now I sent your phone number to Miss Gulzira, so you can write to Miss Gulzira, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for the time. See you later. See you on Friday. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Have a good evening.